Welcome to the Random Car Channel. Today we'll be changing the rear diff fluid on a 2005 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. This is a pretty easy job. It's, I would say, almost easier than changing the engine oil on a car, just because you don't have to change a filter. Okay, so how do we change the rear diff fluid? First, you gotta lift up the car, which I already have lifted up on my quick jack, and just get under the rear, and we're gonna go drain the oil and fill it back up. I'm going to be using this LSD gear oil from Mitsubishi, Diet Queen. So here's the differential. Here's your drain plug, and here's your fill plug. So number one tip is always to take off the fill plug first, just because if you drain it and for some reason you're unable to open up the fill plug, then you're kind of in trouble here. So let's open up the fill plug and take out and then drain. Let's go get we use the 24 millimeter socket, which does not fit in this space. Okay, so we'll get a 24 millimeter wrench on this, 24 millimeters here, and let's get started. Okay, so put on some new washers on the bolts. Okay, so it's pretty much drained, and I will just plug it back up. Use the magnetic plug on the bottom for the drain. Alright, so we'll use this penis pump, gear oil pump.
One Swedish-made penis enlarger pump.
That's not mine.
To refill the diff. Okay, so it's filled up. I think that took about 600 milliliters. I don't know how much that is in quarts, but you know, it's Japanese, so it's all in metrics anyway. So yeah, just put the drain fill plug on and we're done. That was the rear diff fluid change on the 2005 Mitsubishi Evo. Alright, so soon I'll be doing my transmission fluid and the center diff fluids on this car. So I will be putting links to those videos when I get those done soon. Thanks for watching. Click like, please subscribe, and put any comments in the comments below. And good luck on your next project.